Our company is Textile. We are a leading integrated yarn manufacturer specialized in the yarn, sweater yarn. With entire control with the whole supply chain. We have our own spinning mills and dyeing facilities and logistics system. And through this, we can offer the high quality yarns, competitive yarn through expanding the large scales. This is the third time we visit to Bangladesh, and over the few years we have already completed cooperating with Bangladesh merchants. And this year we bring our main product. Look, this kind of yarn. It's named Velour, and its composition is 18% of acrylic and 10% of nylon, 42% of polyester, and 30% of PBT. And I know there's famous yarn named PBT in Bangladesh, but now we take this product to Bangladesh because this performance is as same as the PBT, but its price is cheaper. So it's now popular in China. So I recommended this one to you all, and you can recommend it to your customer in Bangladesh, and I think they will like it. This sock is also made by. If you now you can't touch it, but I think if you touch it, you will feel more very softy, and it's anti-peeling. So I think this product will be popular among the people. And now you can see this sweater is also made by the yarn called Velour, and we have lots of color in our shape card, and all of the color are in stock. So if you have order, we can send the yarn immediately to you. Also, this year we also bring some fancy yarn to here. This one is its composition is 45% polyester fiber, 32% of recycled polyester fiber, and 11% of nylon, 8% of wool, and 4% of spandex. So you can see this, so many colors and very beautiful, isn't it? And as last, may I introduce our most common product is PBT in Bangladesh. It's 50% of viscose, 22% of nylon, and 28% of polyester. Is very popular in Bangladesh, and our company's price is, I think we can give you the best price if you want. It's the third time we visit to Bangladesh, and over the past few years we have cooperating with Bangladesh people. So why we came here this year? Because in the past year we feel this exhibition is obviously it's very useful, so we can meet a lot of people here. We connect and we have an order, and then we become friends. So this year I come here, so I think the people come here are more than last year or the year before last year. So we think the exhibition is greater than past. So I think we hope we can make a great deal of the cooperation here, and let's be successful together.